Okay, on your scratch work, I want you to write your name right here. Don't run into this board. Okay, I want your name, top right corner, and I want you to write a number 1 right here. And our first problem is this. I'm not going to write it out loud like that. We have 2 and 4600ths divided by 3. Okay, so on your paper, what is my dividend? What's going to go inside my box?
2 and 46.
2 and 4600ths. And my divisor is what? 3. So what is that was step 1. What's step 2?
Bring the decimal up.
Bring my decimal straight up. Okay? So how many times will 3 go into 2?
0.
0. How many times will 3 go into 24?
8.
8. 8 times 3 is
3.
24. And bring down my 6. How many times will 3 go into 6?
2.
2. 2 times 3 is 6. Now, if you look on the back side of your paper, you should find 8200ths. It's right here. There's one right there. There's one down here. Am I asking you to color your paper?
No.
No. This is only to be used as a check sheet. If it's not back there, then it's what? It's wrong. Okay? Now, I want you to go right here and write a number 2. And let's set this one up. I've got 7 and 9100ths divided by 7. And I need to bring my decimals straight up. 7 divided by 7 is 1. 1 times 7 is 7. 9 divided by 7. 1 times 7 is
7.
21 divided by 7.
3.
3. 3 times 7 is 1 and 1300ths. Go on the back. I can see it right here in the turkey. Up here. Right on the top of the turkey. It's right there. All right.
More space on the side number 2.
Then you can do number 3 there. If you don't have enough space, then you can do number 3 right here. You decide, okay? Does not matter to me. As long as it's numbered and neat. I don't have space, so I'm going to go right here. Number 3, I've got 8 and 8900ths divided by 7. How many times will 7 go into 8?
1.
1 times 7 is?
7.
How many times will 7 go into 18?
2.
2 times 7 is?
14.
How many times will 7 go into 49?
49. 7.
Is 2 and 2700ths an option on the back?
Yes.
Yep, right here. At the top on the right. All right, I want you to do 4, 5, and 6, and then we're going to go over those. zero's got to stop at the line, so you gotta bring your two to here. Okay, so how many, wait a minute, how many times will three go into two? None, so it goes zero. Zero times three is, yep, no, under the two. Okay, subtract. Yep, no, two, no, two minus zero is. Okay, now, bring down your four. Okay, 24 divided by three is what? No. What's 7 times 3? Look, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. 8.
Miss Bird,
Yes.
1 and 8 hundredths
Mhm.
isn't on the paper. Yeah, it is. It's right there, isn't it?
Mhm.
I see it.
It's right there.
It's on the plate.
Yep, it's on the plate. Oh, no, 4.
I was on the first one.
Whoa, stop, you can't do 2 at the top at the time. So how many times will 9 go into 5?
Yeah.
None.
So we have to do
So you gotta put a 0 right there. And
now the thing?
now you bring down, yep. So how many times will 9 go into 50? Okay. All right, y'all, I did number 5, and I'm gonna flip it, but it's not gonna look like your paper anymore, because I'm not drawing those lines to make it look like your paper. Y'all good with that?
Yeah.
Okay, y'all get the gist of how your paper should look.
Yes.
Let me do number, what did I do with my paper? All right, I want you, after you do number 6, I want you to skip down to number 13. I want to look at number 13, so I want you to skip down to number 13. How many times will 27 go into 1?
None.
None. How many times will 27 go into 10?
None.
None. And how many times will 27 go into 108? It's kind of a big number, isn't it? So let's go over here to the side, and I'm going to take 27, and I'm going to see. All right, if I want my end number to be 8, what can I multiply 7 by to get the end number to be 8?
I usually round it up to 30 and then times that's the many.
Okay, well, let's see. What if we did 25 and 100? How many times will 25 go into 100? 4. So let's try that. 7 times 4 is 28. Carry my 2. 4 times 2 is 8, 9, 10. Will 4 times work? All right, let's look at number 14. 14 also has a double-digit divisor. How many times will 11 go into 5?
11 going to 5. None.
None. 53.
5.
All right, 11 times 5 is what?
55.
So can we do 5 times?
No.
Nope, we're going to have to do what?
4.
4. 3 minus 4, can I do that?
No.
No. 13 minus 4 is 9. How many times will 11 go into 99?
11 going to 99. 9.
9 times. All right, I want you to do number 15. Actually, I want to do 15 together. All right, let's do 15 together. I was thinking it was the next one I wanted to do together. How many times will 16 go into 6?
16 going to 6. 0.
0. 64.
64. No idea.
All right, let's see. 64 times 1 is 16. 16 times 2 is 32. Is that close enough?
32. No.
No. 16 times 3 is 48. Is that close enough?
No.
16 times 4 is 64. Now, how many times will 16 go into 8?
2.
How many groups of 16 are in 8?
None.
None. I can't make a group of 16. Can I have a remainder of 8?
We have to add another.
I've got to add another 0, because if we go back to step 4 tells us we cannot have a remainder, okay? We've got to keep adding zeros. So 4 is not going to be enough, but 5 will. So our answer is 4 5/100. Is that an option on the back? All right, I want you to keep working, okay?